Hello and welcome to a new video. Windows 8.1 is going to end support soon. The system requirements of Windows 11 are July, and yes, there will be future EmuGUI tutorials which require you to have a Linux system. So today I'm going to show you how to install Ubuntu on a VMware Workstation Player. So, starting with Ubuntu, you go to download, and then you will want to choose Ubuntu desktop. Don't worry, I've already downloaded it. Then you are going to need VMware Workstation Player, of course, for virtualization, but it requires a processor which renders it compatible on some computers. So here you can download the latest version, and if you still have a Wolfday processor, for example, or generally a processor released earlier than in 2011, then you can download VMware Workstation 12 from here by choosing Software, VMware, and VMware Player 12.5.9. Either that, or if you manage to get VMware Workstation Pro 12, you can also download this. And then installation procedures should be easy. By the way, I also have a Discord server now, so you may enter the welcome here. Link is in the description. Here we are, and here at the grub we go to try or install Ubuntu. If you're new to this channel, you can at the end you may like this video if you want to, and also subscribe to this channel to not miss any of my videos. It takes a while for it to boot. It definitely takes a while. And you might have noticed why I'm using the VMware Workstation 12 instead of the latest version, because I indeed use an Intel Core 2 Duo from 2008. And that's why I use VMware Workstation 12, because my processor isn't compatible with later versions. But here you can see it works anyway. Here you can choose your language and then click on Install Ubuntu. Then choose your keyboard layouts. I'm sticking to the German keyboard layout and click Continue. you can choose either a normal installation and a minimal installation. The minimal installation will only include that's what Windows would also include. The normal installation would include additional utilities as well as LibreOffice, some sample games, and media players. You can also download updates while installing Ubuntu to save time after the installation, but without the installation would take longer, and this won't even work on offline systems. But in our case, the system is online, so we can do it. And also, I recommend you to install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware and additional media formats. This software is subject to license terms included with its documentation, and some is proprietary. But in our case, we can live with it, and I actually recommend to turn it on and click continue. Now it's preparing the drivers, so please be patient. And here you can erase disk and install Ubuntu and install now. Time zone Berlin, in my case, continue. That is only a time zone. You can select your local time zone and then your name. In my case, it's lucien-rowan, and you can choose a password. You must choose a password. I just type in a simple password. Please make it more secure. That's just for demonstration purposes. You can either log in automatically, or what I recommend, require the password to log in. Also, logging in automatically didn't work in my case. Leave the Active Directory thing unchecked and click on continue. Now it's creating our ext4 file system. And it is installed. Now you can click on restart now in order to restart your computer, or in this case virtual machine. And I recommend you to install these updates now to make the system more secure. So finally finished, and if you see this, restart. So now that was how to install Ubuntu 22.04 LTS onto your system, and we see in the next video. Goodbye.